There's one more thing I really need the deed to